Welcome back to Microsoft Minutes. Today we will be looking at ways to enhance the visual designs of your PowerPoint presentations with the Designer tool. Do you have an upcoming presentation that you need to design? Designer in PowerPoint 365 is a smart tool that provides suggestions, layouts, and templates to make the visuals in your presentations pop. Suggested design choices populate based on the slide's content. If you add a picture, your design choices will update with new layouts. If you do not like the options you are provided, you can select more or you can undo the designs. Appealing and well-organized presentations can make teaching with them more engaging, especially for our visual learners. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. See you again next time here on Microsoft Minutes when we explore dictation and transcription in Word 365.